What's up, Malakas? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So it's the last day before we get a chance to take the car down to LA to get her VEMS harness, her bass tune, everything wired in, and maybe we can actually hear her fire up. But there's still a lot of work to be done. The downpipe still has to be mated to the rest of the exhaust system. That has to get done at an exhaust shop afterwards. There's a new front mount intercooler system that Stavros is going to be going with, a really huge core. That's going to get done probably the next week or two. So this car is far from actually driving, making big boost in power, but running, buttoned up pretty much, yeah, it's going to get done. But there's a lot of little accessories and a lot of little upgrades and supporting mods that we're going to be doing to this car to make sure that it's perfect. It's roughly about 10 o'clock in the morning. Stavros already got wrenching before me. We got some surprises today. Suspension came in for the RS3, our MSS coil kit, so it's pretty cool, pretty excited about that. Our wheels are going to come in for the RS3 in the beginning of February from BC Forge. Really excited about that. So some huge updates coming for the RS3. Hopefully it's going to look a lot better too with a little bit of a drop. Really excited about that. But now we're going to get crunching on Stavros's VR and give you another time-lapse footage. So,
hey, George,
welcome. Yeah.
Did you see the Volkswagen press release?
What Volkswagen press release?
They released that they're going to be now making a fast 24 valve. No, you let me finish. They also released, the guy got released from Volkswagen because it's not April Fool's Day yet.
You see what I have to deal with here? So Stavros thinks that his 12 valve is actually going to be fast. But you know what? Hey, listen, a blind squirrel eventually gets a nut. So we'll see if it actually happens for him. Anyway, welcome to our channel. I'm George. This is Stavros. This is Malaka Motorsports. And welcome along for the ride.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all. You got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Alright guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today. We got the car pretty much assembled and put together. Everything's bolted in as far as what we could do. Now it's time to take the car over and get it done and get our VEMS harness installed and wired.
Norbert's gonna wire up the fuel pumps, the harness, the standalone, the two-step, the anti-lag switch.
Oh, that's right. And Sean's sending over a brushless fuel kit too. So last minute we decided to do a change. The wide body is running a brushless fuel kit, and we figured, you know what? Instead of Stavro inheriting my old twin 450, we're just going to be going with a single brushless kit as well. It's more efficient. Having two pumps may fail. You don't know if that second.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shit.
Hey, you know what we should do next time? Just like when you start. Shut up.
So we don't know when that second pump may or may not fail. So it's safer. You can have one pump. If it fails, it's just going to die. The car's going to shut off, as opposed to just one pump failing in a series of two. So we figured that's going to be a safer bet, safer choice. We're going to be wiring and installing that this coming week when it arrives at the shop, at the harness shop. But hopefully we get his car somewhat based to where it fires, but without the intercooler setup, it's pretty much not going to go anywhere. So we're going to take the car then to a fab shop. We'll film that as well, get the intercooler system set up, and then get this girl moving on her own power. But man, this car looks beautiful, beautiful. We also threw on a spare set of our CCWs on there, and I think on his car it looks so much better. We'll include some panning footage and some pictures in the video, but you know, I had them on my narrow body, and on silver it looked great, but for some reason it pops so well in a hibiscus color. It looks really, really nice. Anyway, thank you guys for following us this far. Thank you guys for all the support. Again, stick around. We got some pretty exciting stuff coming up for our VR6 stuff, some updates. Our suspension came in today for the RS3. We'll throw that on another episode. We got our wheels coming in from BC Forge coming up in a couple weeks. A big turbo kit coming up in the next few weeks for the RS3. Some really exciting stuff is coming up. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next episode.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, this a dream, and